All right. I am making another quilt. I've got some different fabric here, and I'm making another disappearing 9-patch quilt. Okay, I've got it 9 pieces here, and I'm gonna cut these in 2. Let's see. Okay, let's see. I think that's 4.5 inches. Let me see. It is. So that's going to be 2.25 inches right there. All right. I'm going to cut this down the middle both ways. All right. I'm going to turn this end this way, and I'm going to turn this one this way. No, that's wrong. This way. All right, I'm going to cut down both these sides right here. Let me get it pinned. No, I'm going to sew down both them sides there. I hope everybody's doing all right tonight. My light's a little dim in here in the dining room. All right, I'll bring you back. All right, I'm going to sew these right down the middle. Sew these 2 pieces together. All righty. Let me get these pinned out. All right. I like this disappearing 9-patch quilt. I've made 2 or 3 like this. Let me get to... Alrighty. I'll bring you back in just a minute. Now I'm going to press this out. Let me get... Yep, that's square. Alrighty. There is my block. And these are pretty colors. They were coordinated real good. So I'll bring you back when I get them all made, and that way I can sew the blocks together. This is the 4th block I got made. So I'll bring you back later. Alright, I've got most of this quilt top done. I hadn't got the rows sewed together yet, but this is my disappearing 9-patch quilt, and this is what it looks like. Yesterday I cut this pattern out, and I'm just about through with it in 24 hours. So it didn't take long to do this, but the colors are so pretty. They're pastel colors. So if you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell when you want to be notified when I got another video. Thank y'all so much for watching, and yeah, I hope y'all had a blessed weekend. Thank you for watching. Just like, share, and subscribe.